Good day, Jan van Birmelen here, and today I would like to discuss with you your report and the best way to use it to get well again. So when you receive the report, it is in this type of format. I'm going to share my screen here and share it. Okay, there you are. Okay, so I just randomly took a report of somebody. So you will see in the first place, it is a PDF. So you can, when you open a PDF, you can highlight on it. So that is what I do here, is to highlight on the PDF. And so what you will see is, in the first place, you get 5 low things, the lowest things in the body. So that is the place to start. I would say with the first 3, like the small intestine in this case, and the pancreas and the brain alpha. Okay, so that's this 3. So you can't fix everything. So we see there's a problem in the stomach and the urinary and so on. But these are the lowest. So many a time when you start with this and you focus on this to get this right, then the rest will also come in line, because the rest can be the fruit of the problem. This is the root of the problem. So we're trying to get to the root. So it's not a diagnosis. It looks at your energy. It looks at the place where the energy is the lowest, and that is the weakest link in your body, and we try to restore that. So if you come to the suggestions here, you'll find this is the yinum, this longest part of your small intestine, and it will tell you the key functions, and it will also tell you something about it in short, and then common issues, because leaky gut, bloating, poor digestion. So if you get a lot of bloating, poor digestion, it can be that it's a leaky gut. Leaky gut is a weakness in your small intestine where you leak toxins into your blood. Okay, then you'll find an area where it says natural support, and it tells you use probiotics and so on. So that is suggestions, or some of the herbs, or something like alfalfa. Alfalfa is a very potential, it's got a lot of potential for liver, to help you with your liver. And then there's also frequencies on which you can treat yourself. So this is the way you should go through your report. Start with the first 3 things, and then check that and try to get that in balance. You will also get suggestions from the person who has done the scan. Follow this, and don't think that, you will feel you can feel the difference within a week, but it takes time. It takes time. Natural remedies takes time. So don't think within a week you will be back to wellness, because it took many years to come to the place where you are. But if you do what we say, you will get well. So that is the way how you use the report. Okay, so ek wil net sê hoe jy jou verslag gebruik, in Afrikaans ook, is wanneer jy die verslag kry, dan lyk dit so, jou naam sal bo-aan staan, en dan wys dit die eerste 3 sisteme of organe wat die laagste is. So dis die swak skakel in jou gesondheid. So ons diagnoseer nie mense met siektes nie, ons kyk na lae energie, en wanneer jy begin daarby, so jy moet fokus op die eerste 3 van wat hierbo wys. Ons sien hier stomach en die niere en so aan, maar begin hierso, kry dit reg, en baie keer sal jy vind dat die ander goed ook in plek val. So hierso het jy dan die organe, so in die plek sê hy dat jou dindarm is die probleem. So dan gee vir jou eers die funksies van die dindarm, dan die common issues, wat mag leaky gut wees, of bloating, of poor digestion, mag parasiete wees, of so. So dit is die moontlikhede, of swak absorpsie van Vitamiin E, B12 en K. So, en dan hier is die natuurlike support wat ons dan aanbeveel dat jy moet kry, en dan ook die kruie wat 'n mens kan gebruik. So aan die einde van hierdie verslag, at the end of this report, you'll find some links to some resources that we have tested in the past, and we know that their vitamins or minerals or whatever we suggest there works very well. So we don't make any profit from it, but we'll put some links where you can then go and order some of the things that we suggest. But the person who's done the scan can also bring some of their products and suggestions of what they say you must use. So you must take the decision what you want to use in the end, but keep using natural, holistic medicine. Okay, so aan die einde van hierdie verslag gaan ons ook 'n link sit waar jy kan sien waarom dit wat ons aanbeveel, soos die herbs of remedies of wat ook al, wat ons aanbeveel, waarom dit te bekom. So ons maak nie eintlik 'n wins daaruit nie, maar dit is tot jou voordeel, want dit is goed wat ons al reeds beproef het wat goed werk, of andersins moet jy dit wat die persoon wat jou gescan het se voorstelle dan volg en dit doen. Maar doen iets, verander jou eie gesondheid deur jou samewerking te gee, en ek verseker jou, jy sal die beste resultate kry wat jy nog ooit gekry het van tevore met jou gesondheid. 'n Lekker dag vir jou, en mag dit met jou baie goed gaan en jy gesond wees, soos wat die skrif sê in 1 Johannes 3, waar hy sê, mag dit met jou goed gaan in alles soos dit met jou siel goed gaan. Okay, so ek gaan nou net hier uitlok en dan gaan ons terug na die skerm toe en dan groet ek vir jou. Mag jy 'n lekker en 'n geseënde dag hê. Dankie, Jan van der Mullen.